Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to return items from TikTok Shop. If you want to return an item from TikTok Shop, here's how it works. Returns are usually allowed within 7 to 15 days from delivery, depending on the seller and item type. First, open the TikTok app, tap the Shop section, go to Orders. You'll find it under the triple bar button at the top right. Find the order you want to return. Tap the top refund or return. Choose either return only if you received the item but don't want to send it back, or refund only if the item was never received or is defective. Pick a return reason and provide evidence like photos or videos if required. Then submit the request. The seller needs to approve it, and if approved, they'll provide a return shipping label or instructions. Some returns are free, others may require you to cover shipping. Once TikTok or the seller confirms the item is received in good condition, your refund will be issued to your original payment method. This can take a few days. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.